Hi dears, welcome to the EBS online class. Hope you all are fine. So let's start our class. What is the name of our lesson? Yes, conserving our environment. And in the previous class, we have discussed about certain threats created by human beings that adversely affects the environment. Which are they? Yes, pollution, improper disposal of waste and deforestation. And what is pollution? The release of harmful substances into the environment is called as pollution, and the harmful substances released to the environment are called as pollutant. And which are the different types of pollution? Yes, air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution and noise pollution are the main types of pollutions. And in the previous class we have discussed about the causes and effects of air pollution. Hope you all have studied that. What are the causes of air pollution? Burning of fuels like petrol and diesel, smoke released by the burning of coal, wood and animal dung used for household purposes, and natural causes like forest fire, volcanic eruptions, poisonous gases released from factories. All these are the causes of air pollution. And what are the effects of air pollution? We have studied 4 effects. Yes, global warming, holes in the ozone layer, acid rain and certain diseases. What is global warming? The increase in the overall temperature of the earth's surface is called as global warming. And how it is happening? For that we have to know what is greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Yes, when the sun's energy reaches the earth's surface, some of the energy is reflected back while the rest of the energy is absorbed by gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. present in the atmosphere. So this absorbed energy warms up the earth's surface, and this is a natural process. This natural process of warming up the earth's surface is called as greenhouse effect. But due to the burning of fuels, more and more carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, which causes the absorption of more and more sun's energy, which in turn leads to the increase in the temperature of the earth's surface. And this increase in the overall temperature of the earth's surface is called as global warming. Then we have studied about holes in the ozone layer. What is ozone layer? It is a layer of ozone gas present in the earth's atmosphere that protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. But due to the excess air pollution, scientists say that holes are formed in this ozone layer, and through this hole the ultraviolet rays may reach the earth's surface and causes diseases like skin cancer, eye problems, etc. to the living things on earth. Then we have studied about acid rain. What is acid rain or how it is formed? Burning of coal in the thermal power plants released gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, etc. into the atmosphere. These gases combine with the water vapor present in the atmosphere and produce substances called acids. These acids come down with rain and damage plants, buildings and also the soil. So such rain is called as acid rain. And air pollution also causes certain diseases to the human beings. It causes certain respiratory disorders and also damages the lungs. So this is about air pollution. Today let's discuss about the causes and effects of water pollution and soil pollution. So first let's discuss about water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution means releasing harmful substances into the water bodies like rivers, lakes, oceans and ponds. So can you say some of the causes of water pollution? Dumping of waste from industries and farms to the water bodies like rivers, lakes, oceans and ponds may cause water pollution. And also sewage from homes and hospitals dumped into the water bodies causes water pollution. Sewage means waste water that is passing through the drainage and also through pipes from toilets and sinks. This is sewage. So such waste, when it is dumped into the water bodies, it causes water pollution. So these are the causes of water pollution. Now what are the effects of water pollution? Yes, the poisonous substances released from the factories into the water bodies may often kill fishes and other water animals. And if we are eating such affected fishes, we can get ill. Also drinking poisonous water or drinking polluted water can cause diseases like dysentery, typhoid and jaundice. So these are the effects of water pollution. So what are the causes of water pollution? Dumping of poisonous waste from the factories and farmlands into the water bodies, and also dumping of sewage from homes and hospitals into the water bodies causes water pollution. And what are the effects of water pollution? Poisonous waste from factories released into the water bodies may kill fishes and other water animals. If we are eating such affected fishes, we can get ill. Also drinking polluted water can cause diseases like jaundice, dysentery and typhoid. Now let's discuss about soil pollution. Causes and effects of soil pollution. What are the causes of soil pollution? Can you say some of the causes? In farmlands, farmers use fertilizers to grow more crops. They also use chemicals to kill weeds and insects. So the increased use of such chemicals may damage the soil or pollute the soil. So this is one cause of soil pollution. Increased use of chemicals and fertilizers by the farmers damages the soil. Another cause is throwing solid waste like plastic bags, plastic bottles, glass bottles, old machine parts, rubber tubes, tires and cans. All these can pollute the soil because these substances cannot be easily destroyed. They remain in the soil as such for many hundreds of years and thus pollute the soil. So this is another cause of soil pollution. Then sometimes poisonous substances from factories are buried in the land. This also causes soil pollution. So which are the causes of soil pollution? Increased use of chemicals and fertilizers by the farmers to kill weeds and insects and also to grow more crops can cause soil pollution. Then burying poisonous substances from the factories in the land also causes soil pollution. Then throwing of plastic bags, plastic bottles, rubber tubes, tires, cans, etc. into the soil also pollutes the soil. Now, the effects of soil pollution. What happens if the soil is polluted so much? If the soil is polluted, plants cannot grow in the soil. Plants take nutrients from the soil for their growth. If the soil is too much polluted, the land becomes unfit for agriculture, so that the quantity and quality of the harvest may decrease. So today we have discussed about the causes and effects of water pollution and soil pollution. Hope you all have understood the topic. Read textbook page number 27 and underline the main points. From notebook, study question number 5 from fill in the blanks, question number 2, 3, 4 from name the following, and question number 4 from answer the following. A YouTube URL is attached along with this. Watch the video. A test paper is also attached. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.